Here is a video on how to unlock a broken trunk and how to fix it on Fiat Panda. 1. Open the rear door, fold the seat back to access the trunk lock. We couldn't fold the seat back due to the installation of the child seat. We've made it with the trunk open just to better see the hole where you have to insert the key blade. 2. Remove the yellow plastic cover from the trunk lock. Three. Insert the key blade or a flat blade screwdriver inside and turn it clockwise to unlock the trunk. 4. When you hear the trunk unlock, push the tailgate outwards. If you want to repair the trunk lock, you just have to check these parts first. Fuses from the inside fuse panel and from the engine compartment. The switch from the trunk handle, the tailgate actuator. The wires from the upper side of the tailgate. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.